Yeah, I just wanted to show you what I did to my Navage. Here's my Navage. I know it costs like $100, so I really got a little upset when I changed the batteries in it, and the older batteries were corroded, and it was so corroded that the connectors were rusted out. I tried to clean it out, and it wouldn't work, so I bought this on Amazon. They're C connectors, and it came in a package of 10. It was only $8 for 10 of them. I only needed one, and I basically connected it back here, and I used some I sticked it in there and I glued it on. But basically, you still got to push the button, because I'm not using the battery part, but you still got to push the button even though it works without it. I'm going to try to connect this. It works without pushing the button down, but you still got to push the button down so it'll drain. So what I do is, it's just because I'm holding the camera, but it's real easy to do. Hold on. You could also disconnect it from the other end, but see, it works. But in order for it to work, you got to push the button down. Now those C plugs are 3 to 9 volts, so that works out, because it's normally 3 volts that go through there. And now it's like I can put this away and not worry about my battery corroding everything down there. To take it apart, it's real easy. When you take off the 4 screws, you need a little screwdriver to undo it. I know there's another video that shows somebody taking it apart, but it's real easy actually. So there's another picture of it again, and I'll show you the link in the comments where I got this. I got it on Amazon, but I'll show you the link to it. That's it, man. Just wanted to show that to you. I'll see you later. Bye.